What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Singularitynet, also known as Agix, which has dropped 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just under 46 cents, guys. This crypto was doing crazy numbers over the last couple of days, all up until right now where it's starting to drop down in value. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up anytime soon, up above 50, 60, 70 cents, or is it going to keep crashing over the next couple of hours and days as well? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view. What is the best option right now? Is it to buy the dip? Is it to hold on to it before it crashes even harder and then buy more? Or if you're still on a profit, is it time to sell it? So that's what we're going to be going through. And also, as usual, it's prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is Agix a good crypto to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So right now we are on the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is up just about 1.2% in the last 24 hours. And of course, we got Singularitynet, which has dropped a massive 20%. In the last hour itself, it dropped 0.5%. Over the last day, 19%. Over the week, however, it is still up a massive 160%, guys. As you can see, we did see a hit about 66 cents yesterday, or even very early this morning, until it started to drop down in value to about 46 cents right now. And over the month, it is still 600% up for the whole month, guys, which is absolutely crazy. And again, right now, I would say it's taking a little bit of a break, a little breather, but I am expecting it to pump back up soon. But the question is, when is that? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 8% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major. Currently $476 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded. However, I'm expecting this percentage to be red over the coming hours, as more and more people will stop trading Singularitynet. Most people are just going to be holding on to it. There's not going to be much sellers, there's not going to be much buyers. Most people are going to be holding on to the crypto, and hence the trading volume is likely to go down over the coming hours as well, unless of course it goes for a major pump. Then we are going to see more investors. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Agix, which is here in purple at 26 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at 45 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here that the blue and the orange line are slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep. However, the whole point is that they are looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Agix to be popping up to about 48 to 50 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently be gaining value over the next 12-14 hours. It's likely to drop below the 45 cents target over the next few hours before it slowly starts to gain value to around the 50 cents target by midday tomorrow. But again, it is going to be very minimal, guys. No major increases are expected. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, but again, do expect red candles in between as well. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, looking very bearish. Literally got the blue and the orange line heading downwards towards the bearish direction, looking very steep, meaning it is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place, decrease that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep dropping, it's going to keep going downwards, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. Over the next couple of days, so let's say by mid next week, over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Agix to have pumped back up in value to around 60-65 cents in target by mid next week. Again, that also does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7-8 days. There's going to be red days where it's likely to drop, take a little breather, take a little break, whatever you want to call it, but it's likely to pump back up in value to about 60 to 65 cents. I know the gap is quite heavy, 60 to 65, but somewhere in between that target is where I'm expecting Agix to be trading at by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking bullish, but a very steep in the opposite direction, going towards the bullish direction. Only reason for that is exact same, the major increase that's taken place over the last few days. It's made the graph think, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping. But the same applies here. It's not realistic, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Agix over the next couple of weeks. It's nothing major, nothing, no major increases are expected over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say by late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting Agix to be trading around the 90 cents target, heading towards the $1 mark by hopefully mid to late April is what I'm expecting. However, this of course depends on the crypto market conditions. Crypto crashes, bull runs, price pumps, all of these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Singularitynet, but the whole crypto market in general. But if I am able to predict such thing, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Agix, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are literally in the top tier level right now, guys. Sooner than expected. Of course, it all started off, we're reaching the red zone about 3 weeks ago, broke out from the red zone, broke out from the green zone, dark green zone, blue zone, and we've ended up in the top tier level in a space of about 2 to 3 weeks, which is absolutely crazy, guys, to think about it. But again, it's been performing very well, and right now it has taken a little step back, a little breather, and is likely to drop down into the blue zone before it pumps back up into the top tier level here. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Agix, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how soon do you guys think this crypto will hit the $1 mark? Is it going to be in the next few hours, days, weeks, months, whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers, and at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.